Hey everybody, this is Daniel again, and I'll be your host on Stockforce One. Today we'll talk about support and resistance. That is a very important elements whenever you are trading whatever asset you can consider. Support and resistance, let's talk a little bit about Apple. Support and resistance are the levels where the auction is going and from where it's coming. There are different types of support and resistance because you got individual support and resistance, and you got consistent support and resistance for prices, but you got also support and resistance for volumes. Many of you don't know about what is happening in the market, and they are considered just support and resistance like this. For example, this is resistance, okay, where the price is going and hitting up here like the ceiling of your room, yeah, and support is the lowest price you can consider it, but you have to be very careful when you are thinking or planning about these elements. For example, this is a big market cap, okay, we are talking about Apple, that is something like 3 trillion. When it's about big companies, the history or the support of resistance in history, it's considered the entire history, I don't know, all the years, okay, all the prior years. For example, you can consider from 2012. But when you go to small companies, support and resistance, the range in time of support and resistance, you have to consider the market cap and the float, but especially the market cap. Let's say for the market cap, you can call it the gear, and the float the acceleration. Simple as that. For me, it's very simple when I consider all of this. So for PHUN, Funware Incorporated, the history it at a maximum 6 months prior, okay, for the price you got today. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months to here. So you got, let's say, but it's very weak, okay. Somebody's playing around here. So you got an individual resistance at 24.47, and you got a consistent resistance. I'm still improving my English, so don't worry, at 680 that have been, okay, crossed by this price here, and you got another resistance here, okay, at this price 1007, and you got another one around here, okay, where you see many auctions happenings like here. This is, let's say, consolidation, okay, 680. Now the price is above the consolidation. 794 has penetrated this price here and is going to 1007. Why have I considered this resistance here? Why? Because the auction here have to be satisfied in order for the price, when the price is going up, cannot go above this price here, because there are many players in the market that are waiting for the price to come back, and this is respecting the price of an auction. Whenever the price is going down, okay, it's imprinting a lot of pain, but only for companies that have a market price below 500 million. When we are talking about this kind of company and the price is going down, we are talking about large players. The large players don't feel pain. It's another kind of play. So you got to make a difference between the large players and the small players. This is about pain. This is about corporate business. It's a different type of play. Okay, when the price is going down here, it's very, very hard to come back. But when the price is going down here, you got to be very sure that the price will come very fast back at the level it was at least 1 year prior. Okay, I've told you also these aspects because it's directly linked to the way the resistance and the support are behaving. What we got here? So this is a consistent resistance, and this now has become a consistent support. But you got an individual resistance here because you got only one price, and you got down here, okay, at 5 or very, very low. This you have to disconsider, okay. 493. Yeah, you got an individual support. And always the support when the price is going down, this one is becoming resistance. And when the price is going above it, this one is becoming a support. Also, you got another element, but we'll discuss it in another, let's say, episode about volumes. When you have a very high volume during the historical trade, here is washing the entire history. So now our individual resistance is coming back here at 18, just to know. Okay, but let's come back to the auction, because it's very, very simple to understand. So when the prices are going down, the market maker and the company itself is cashing profit. When the prices are going up, they are collecting money from the market. This is everything you need to know. And some of our players, or the people, or the retailers, because below 500 million market cap, 90 or 80 to 90% of the people that are present in this kind of trade are mainly retailers. And they are still waiting here because they live the FOMO, yeah, fear of missing out. They are thinking that the price is going up, but hasn't. So they stayed here hoping that the price is going back, yeah, and they, at least they will get the money they invested in this share. What is happening down here? The market maker and the company itself that is selling, okay, what these people have bought here is imprinting pain, and the pain is going through here, okay, at 10 or 10.07. Most, but not all of them, most of these people from here have sold their shares here because they are desperate. From 100 euro invested at this level, they are hoping to get back, or they are getting back at least 10 to 20 dollars. And the price is going up, and the desperation from here is going higher. And in the end, most of the people here that have bought at, let's say, 15 or maybe 18, they are selling here at 6.47, and the pain, it's ending right here at 5.30. Now the price, or this company, it in needs of new cash or new offerings, so it's organizing another play, okay, and hopefully they are getting some new, you see, some news on the market in order to put people to buy. Buy, we got a new company, we got a new product on the market, come here, blah blah blah. The people will buy, the company will go, the price of the shares of this company will go up. At the maximum here, they'll offer packages of 500,000 or 1 million shares, and the people from here through here, they will start to feel FOMO, okay, and they will buy, and the market, it's selling again, imprinting pain and getting all the profits. But at this level here, there are a couple of, let's say, orders that are stuck. In order for the auction to go further from here, let's say from here, from 10, 11 to 15, it needs for these orders to be satisfied, okay? So they will sell everything, the market is coming to this level and is buying all the orders that are for sale here, in order, is obliged to go up to this level here, and maybe to this one here, that's the maximum. When we hit 18.04, the auction is possible to end, and after that it's going down. That's pretty much. So you got a resistance here, resistance are support, and these areas here. So you got individual resistance here, individual support here, individual resistance and support that are consistent here, individual support and resistance that is consistent here, okay? These in fact are elements of auctions, or areas of auctions, where orders, sale order and buy orders, are blocked and need to be deblocked during the auction. That's all you need to know. Don't forget to follow. You got, okay, a button down here to like if you want, and you have some very interesting links there, and come to our website. is the best one in the world. Then allow it.